Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to install Stremio on Chromecast with Google TV. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Well, to be honest with you, installing Stremio on Chromecast with Google TV is pretty easy and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, in the first step, what you need to do is on your Chromecast with Google TV, go to the home screen. Then what you need to do is hover over apps, scroll down and type downloader in the search box. After that, what you need to do is click on downloader and hit install. And then in the next step, what you need to do is adjust your settings. And for that, what you need to do is press the home button and then go to the settings icon on the top right. Click settings and then click about. After that, scroll down to Android TV OS build and click it multiple times until you see you are already a developer. Then what you need to do is launch the downloader. And for that, what you need to do is once again go back to the home screen, find downloader in your app and launch it. Click allow and then click on OK. In the search box, type stream.com and hit search. This will take you to the download page. Scroll down to find Stream for Android TV and click it. And then what you need to do is download and install the application. And once the installation is complete, then in the next and final step, what you need to do is log in and set up your account. And that's pretty much all about how you can install Stremio on Chromecast with Google TV. Well, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.